Ciao, I'm Sophia, your, how you say, personal guide to Roma. Are you ready for an adventure? Ah, the Colosseum. Can you feel the history? Everyone is looking at you. Look at those girls. They can't take their eyes off you. Shall we give them something to talk about? Now to the Trevi Fountain. Make a wish. I bet all these beautiful girls are wishing to meet someone like you. The Spanish Steps. Perfect for people watching and being watched. You're quite popular here. Let's take a moment to enjoy the view of the city, of course, and maybe each other. Piazza Navona now. Feel the energy. It's electric. Or maybe that's just the chemistry between us. These street artists are talented, but I think you're the real masterpiece here. Time for a coffee break. Italian espresso. Strong and intense, like the looks you're getting. Shall we explore some hidden alleys? I know all the secret spots in Roma. This little piazza. It's my favorite. Not many tourists know about it. It can be our special place. Let's head to the Aventine Hill. The view of the city from there is breathtaking, almost as much as you are. Through this keyhole, see? All of Roma at your feet. But I'd rather be at yours. As we walk, feel the history beneath your feet. Thousands of years of passion, it's just like I feel for you. The Roman Forum, where great speeches were made. But I'm at a loss for words around you. I wish it would with you. Ah, the mouth of truth. Legend says it bites liars. Shall we test it? I'll go first. I think you're irresistible. Your turn now. Don't worry, I'll protect you. Although I quite like the idea of you needing me. Now let's cross the Tiber. The way the light dances on the water, it reminds me of the sparkle in your eyes. Trastevere, the heart of romantic Roma. Can you feel your heart beating faster? Mine certainly is. These narrow streets are made for getting lost, and maybe finding something unexpected. Shall we have dinner? I know the perfect place, with a view almost as spectacular as present company. As night falls over the city, it feels like we're the only two people in the world. The stars are coming out. You know, I've never met anyone quite like you before. Roma is the eternal city, and I wish this moment with you could be eternal too.